siya mag-recline. I want to sleep or I want to just sit down, and I can use the footrest, and I can also try to keep the footrest. Yan. And I'm ready for my online class and also for my live streaming. Annyeong! Ayan, the brand is Likeregal, and it is made of leather. Good day, my beautiful people. Abcill here, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna do the unboxing of this box. So guess what? Do you know what is this? Actually, this is a gaming chair. So I got it from the Shopee during the 888 ba yun? Okay, let's try to see what is inside the box. Are you ready? I'm ready! Okay. Naka-plastic pa po ito. Let's do it! Excited? It's wrapped with plastic bubble. Plastic ba yun? Or plastic bubble? Ano ba yun? So, let's see and let's find out. There you go. Woohoo! Wow! Ooh! There! Look at it! And I have this ones here. Wow! Let's see. Let's see. The brand is Likeregal. Ito po yung brand niya, Likeregal. I think it is neck pillow. It's that. Find it out. What are? Ah, this one. Got it. Likeregal pa rin. It is
the lumbar massage.
And then, oh, what's this? Here's the materials. Tingnan natin mamaya. And, guys, napakabigat po niya. I don't know what is this. Ah, yung adjustment. Tingnan natin mamaya, ha. And this one. You see? Pink at saka black. Black po yung kulay at saka pink. Combination po siya. And this one. This is the armrest. Armrest siguro to. Tingnan nga natin kung kompleto ba. Ayan. We have 2 armrests. And then, oh, napakabigat. Ouch! I think I have to put it in the plastic. Here. There you go. Ayan. Ay, parang napakabigat po niya. Ayan. The last part. Oh! Ayan. Ako muna ito dito sa ulo. And then, wow, napakagapi po niya. And again, it is wrapped with plastic bubble. Plastic bubble po yun. Bubble plastic. Ito yung manual. Ayan. The manual. Let me see. Ayan. Installation manual. Ayan. Installation manual. Ito po yung ano yan. And sige, titignan nga natin kung kompleto ba. Ayan. Tapos, dito kung ngayon yung eyeglasses kasi hindi ko po siya makita. Installation, 1 set. Titingnan nga natin. Ay, ito yung backrest. Ito po yun, backrest po siya. Ang tawag dito. Tapos, L. yung T-shape, not L lang, T-shape for back bar. Ito po yun, T-shape for back bar siguro. Tapos, ito naman, the caster. Ano yung mga caster? Yung mga gulong. Sabi. Caster po daw tawag dito. It was properly wrapped. Ayan. So, ito daw ang tawag nito, caster daw. So, ilan bang caster ang nandito? It's 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tama. There are 5 caster. And then, 1 base. Ito pala, base pala po ito ang tawag dito. So, isa lang yung base. Tapos, yung lumbar and neck. Ito pala, lumbar and neck pillow. So, ang tawag pala dito is lumbar and neck. Ayan. Lumbar and neck pillow. Ang tawag nito. Tapos, yun, tama ako. It's armrest. Ang tawag po dito, armrest. Yung dalawa. Armrest. And, what else? Where's the pump? May pump po daw. Ewan ko, saan po yung pump? Ito, yung set telt. Para pa-telt po daw ito. And then, set yung set ano po niya sa liquid. Ayan. Tapos, yung na-order ko, may footrest. Ito pala yun. May footrest. Titingnan natin paano ito gagana yung footrest na ito. Ayan. And then, let's try to look at it again. Yung plastic sa gilid na. Yung pump. Hindi ko makita. Ito yung pump. So, yan. Ito po daw. Pump po daw ang tawag nito. Yung para pang adjust. Siguro. Tignan natin paano ito i-install. At saka may mga screw. Ayan. Screw. Okay, so I think yun po yung mga parts ng gaming chair. And see you later on. For this, we will see later on. We will have to assemble this gaming chair. And let's try to look at it, how it looks like. installation of the different parts of gaming chair. It's the finished product after satisfied with this. And I feel comfortable. Ayan. Pwede siyang mag-recline if I want to sleep or I want to just sit down, and I can use the footrest, and I can also try to keep the footrest. Ayan. And I'm ready for my online cast and also for my live streaming. Annyeong! Ayan, the brand is Likeregal and it is made of leather. And actually, this is a code of 729. 729, the color is pink and black and with footrest. Kasi different po yung gaming chair na walang footrest. Parang mas cheaper po siya compare with the footrest. And it's also reclining. And there is a USB here. I think it's about, let's try. How does it work? Kung USB dito. Ayan. May USB po siya. Okay, na naka-attach. Naka-attach po sa lumbar. Parang massage yata yun yung nabasa ko. But anyway, let's try to take a look. Ayan. Feel comfortable na po ako. Ayan. Then ako mag-play. Woo! Woo! There. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching! If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next video upload. Bye-bye!